Okay, here's a look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Wednesday, September 22nd, 2010. Well, we had mentioned yesterday that the market could be turning over, rolling over, and the sellers could be taking charge and to watch out for the 1140 area as resistance. So the market closed down here yesterday. By the way, each one of these are this is today's market profile. Its corresponding volume profile is what occurred yesterday. The one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So when the market closed here yesterday, I had mentioned that the 1140 up here could be resistance. And you can see that in the overnight market, it took it up by one tick, and it came, right here, it came within one tick of it in the regular trading hours. So really good support there, more down move here again today. So I'd also mentioned that the support area there was 33 and it dropped down to 31. So you can see here that the market it did dip. So this is basically the ranges I was estimating for today. So you can see in the overnight trade it did dip down below it, and the regular trading hours even more so, with a close just slightly below it, around about 30. So um, we actually think now that the resistance area has probably dropped a bit, and we're thinking it's around 38. Um, and if the market can hold below 30, it could very well have a nice run, at least down to 25, if not down into the 22 area. So that's really what we're looking at right now. We also use, of course, the market profiles from the regular trading hours only in our analysis. So in other words, not taking into consideration the overnight market. And of course, we have our software here that identifies the trades for us in real time. And you can see here that every trade has an arrow attached with it and the actual entry price. So I'm just circling all of them that we had today so we can take a look at them. And of course, what we like to try and do is this filter, we call it a filter running along the bottom, helps us on the intraday directional bias, and we tie that in with the known interday directional bias. So we have been in an up auction now for probably about 3 weeks or so, but we knew that yesterday could be the start of a down move. So our up auction had reduced its strength down from sort of a moderate to strong into a weak. So we knew that going into today, if we were able to get long, we would kind of have to watch it. So this first trade here, which actually got filled right here, got stopped out. And this is after the market had come up and hit our resistance area, to within one tick. However, the rest of the day turned out to be pretty nice. By the way, this trade was taken. We were in a green filter. This trade was taken short. This trade was taken short. Um, this trade here was not taken. And the reason, of course, is that we were in a red filter. This short right here was taken, and this trade here was not taken. So we did not take the trades that are not compatible with the filter unless it's a very strong trade type, and we have a couple of those. Neither one of these were today. So we ended up by taking this trade. We were stopped out on that one. Had a very nice profit on this trade and on this trade. Um, this trade right here, it was okay. It wasn't great. It did come down, hit our second objective, but we were not filled on it. So we just had profits on half of our position on that trade. So as far as our trades were concerned today, we had one, two, three, four. We had four trades, and this long trade and this long trade we did not take. So um, this trade, if this trade was taken, it was basically stopped out at a loss of a tick or two if it was. Um, so the market doesn't have a lot of strength to it. I mean the, the first resistance area is back to that 33 that we had spoken of a couple of days ago, and then 38, the next resistance above that. So we're looking at 33 here and 38 as good resistance areas And then as far as support goes, it's really today's low, which is down there at 26 and change. But I personally don't. I'm suspect of the support right here. It may go down and just dip below it and then have a really nice run up. I mean, that's always possible too. But it just doesn't look like it's all that strong right now. If it can break through there, we could have a nice run lower. So that's really look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for today. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.